It's all good, you see me? I may say, Yalaita Music and Events present I Ricky Benz. The first time in a Switzerland. You see me? The 22nd of April 2011. A mad thing. I may say, it's over there in the city, Lugano, Club, Malina. Remember, you see me? All the hot girls, all the gangster them, come out by the tens and the thousand. You see me? I Ricky Benz, straight from Kingston, Jamaica. You see me? A mad thing. First time in a Switzerland. Yo, the thing turn up. The thing buck. The thing loud. Wine for me, turn for me. You think on your jeans and all that me see. Girl, wine for me, turn for me. You got it like that, you are the one for me. It's all good.